Joziah Daman Lalu, second rank Haka Arts na St. Anthony's High Secondary School, Habakren baka donbosco Media Network Hakani kasngi, balapan banaya ka result. Uloong ba udap da kajing kemen ka bakraw halor kani kajing job jong u. Ulapan pao kajing sngongu ikinohikay bat ya baro ki badon kati ban yarap yu u hakijing puli jong u. Habala kali kumnu pen kre elade ban yale exam, uloong ngadon la kajong ka routine ban puli kot ban syong thaj. Ngabot thek ya kani ka routine jonga. Ulakan turu ikiway pat kisamla puli ban persyang ban sandur ya la kajong ka routine bat thek ya ka. Kumta pin sapoy siya ka thong ba Thmu ulaong. Ulapan pao ba utrang ban puli pentebit ya ke English namar Thmu ban long professor hakajing chong o.
Down in Lalu, I secured the second position from the art stream in the HSLC examination.
Okay, so can you just tell us about your future plans and your routine of studies?
Well, I'm planning to major in English literature and I plan to become a professor. That's my main plan as of right now.
Okay, so...
See, I think the biggest misconception that people have is that you have to study for hours at a time. And although that may be true in some cases, I feel like that's not true for everyone. So for me personally, I studied whenever I felt like it, and I also took breaks whenever I felt I needed it. I think everyone just needs to find their own study pattern.
So is there any message for those coming exams?
The main thing is that people often look at toppers as the ideal students and they have to follow their routines. But not everyone can commit to the same routine that other people have. So the main thing I want to advise other students is have a study routine that works for you. And as soon as you find that study routine, commit to it. That's the only thing that I want to say.
Thank you.